Hi, and welcome. We are going to do some readings with, first, we're going to do the dice and do some numerical readings, and then we're going to do the tiny tarot deck, which literally is as small as the palm of my hand. And then we'll do some oracle cards that help to clarify that. Let's get started, and we'll do your number first. And that's 3, 6, and 6 is 12, and 2 is 14, and 5 is 19, and 1 is 20, and the number of 2 plus 0 ends up being 2. That is the number of duality. That is about couples and possibly lovers or partners, business partners. Okay, let's go ahead. I'll cut the deck and we will read from the past to the future. The first card is 3 of Pentacles. The 3 of Pentacles is as you're building your wealth and you're honing your craft, you're moving upwards in gaining your financial abundance, but it's just starting out. The next card is in the near past, where you have the 9 of Swords. You're just so unhappy. You are exhausted, and you've worked so hard, and you've tried to make these plans work out for you, but they just haven't been. And so it leaves you just drained. So you're not happy at all. Your current is Strength. Well, you did really well. You came out of it, and away you go. You're with that lion, and you're just full of strength, and you've had recovery. And in the near future, we have the Temperance card, which is another major arcana card like Strength is. And the Temperance is about having patience and achieving a balance in your life. You notice she's pouring the water back and forth on the jugs in order to measure out consistency and balance and justice, having justice with it. And that is your near future. And then your far future is 6 of Cups. And that's a time where you're kind of thinking back to what you had before. You've done quite well. You're on your way, but you've got to work harder and do more to gain 10. So you're not there quite yet. And you're just dreaming about the day you'll have the 10. And you're happy that you have the 6, but you just want to try to get more so that you have the fullness of completion of 10. Now we're going to take a look, and I'll cut the deck, and we will see what you have for your clarifier cards. This one is for the 3 of Pentacles, which is the Page, a message of growth, a young person with business opportunities. That was in your far past. Then when you were crying and feeling so distressed, along came Victory, which took you out of that and gave you success and energy, and you manifested success and you won an argument. So that's great. No wonder you got in the Strength position. And then with Strength, we have communication and business growth, a little bit of gossip and minor obstacles, but basically you've done quite well. And you have partnership and duality. And finally, ambition. If you were not well, you have a recovery of health. And then, in the near future, good. With that Temperance, that pays off and it gives you prosperity, success, and great fortune increase. And your cycle is complete. Oh my heavens, that's great. Oh. And then we have the Page, which has a message about money and start of a new large financial venture. That's in your far future. You have really done well. That's excellent to see. And then I would like to say that if you come back again. We have both shorts and long ones. If you don't want to have long readings, we have short ones. Or we will do all kinds of new things and different decks and whatnot. So come back and see us again. Be sure on your way out to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have ideas on how we can improve. We really appreciate you being here. You are more than enough and never too much.